Web3 is changing how people think about the internet, giving users more control over their personal data and various digital assets, creating a new paradigm slowly. New networks and platforms let you own your digital items, not tech giants, and companies like OpenSea and Uniswap show this shift in action. Decentralized apps run on blockchains, not company servers, allowing you to own and trade digital assets like NFTs freely. NFTs represent unique digital items like art, music, or gaming gear, with ownership recorded on the blockchain for proof. Artists and musicians use NFTs to sell directly to fans, cutting out middlemen and keeping more of their earnings. To access Web3 apps securely, you use wallets like MetaMask, keeping your private keys safe and signing in without traditional passwords, creating a more seamless user experience always. This new approach gives you more control and privacy, but it also brings new risks, so staying alert and being cautious is absolutely crucial for your safety and security always. Web3 runs on decentralized networks like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon, which can't be shut down by a single entity. Smart contracts automate deals and services on these blockchains, ensuring rules are followed without middlemen. You can prove ownership of assets or access services without sharing personal details, significantly enhancing individual privacy and online freedom completely always. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, lets you lend, borrow, or trade without banks using platforms like Uniswap and Aave. DeFi also offers yield farming and staking opportunities where you earn substantial rewards by locking up tokens or providing significant liquidity to various crypto platforms daily. DAOs, or decentralized autonomous organizations, are groups that run on complex smart contracts with various members voting on crucial decisions collectively online daily. To get started with Web3 effectively, you need a reliable crypto wallet and should carefully explore various dApps like OpenSea and Uniswap with caution naturally always. Always double-check wallet addresses carefully and use reputable hardware wallets for large cryptocurrency transactions to ensure maximum security and stay completely secure online always. Web3 is not just for tech experts. Brands and creators are using it for new opportunities, innovative experiences, and substantial revenue streams globally now. By learning Web3 skills, you can join projects and earn money in this growing space from anywhere in the world. Start exploring Web3 today and put yourself at the forefront of emerging digital innovation and exciting new opportunity streams worldwide daily.